Hello students, today I am presenting a new video on important terms in the chapter climate. These terms will help you in knowing the complexity of the climate. First is jet stream. Jet stream is the air current which determine the arrival and departure of monsoon. These are a narrow belt of high altitude, that is above 12,000 meter, which blow at high speed 150 to 300 km per hour. These currents develop in the upper layer of the atmosphere. The westerly jet stream prevails over the North Indian plains during the winter months, while the easterly jet stream steers the tropical depression over India. These depressions play a very significant role in the distribution pattern of the monsoon rainfall in the Indian subcontinent. Second is western cyclonic disturbances. The weather conditions during winter are generally influenced by the distribution pattern of pressure in Central and West Asia. In the winter season, due to the shifting of the pressure belt, the westerly blows from 20° north to 50° north latitude, and the northern India comes under the influence of the winds and cyclones rising from the Mediterranean Sea. These cyclones occur during the monsoon as well as in October and November months, and it influences the weather of the north, that it causes snowfall in Jammu and Kashmir, and it brings rainfall to the northern plains, especially the northwestern part of India, Punjab and Haryana. Next is ITCZ, Intertropical Convergence Zone. It is a zone between the northern and southern hemisphere where wind blows towards equator from mid-latitude. They meets. This causes erratic weather condition, that means unfavorable weather condition, which with calms and violent thunderstorms. ITCZ was originally identified from 1920 to 1940 as the ITF, Intertropical Front. Later in 1950, it is identified as ITCZ. It shifts from north to south according to the movement of the sun. The ITCZ shifts only between 40° latitude, north or south of the equator, according to pattern of land and oceans. It is a heat belt which raises temperature, increases dryness and reduces presence of moisture from atmosphere wherever it is positioned. Next is El Nino. It is a periodic development of warm ocean current along the coast of Peru in South America to replace cold Peruvian current during the month of December. El Nino means the baby Christ, as it blows during Christmas. It increases the surface temperature of the sea and affects the movement of monsoon wind in the Indian Ocean and causes weak drought in the Indian subcontinent. Then comes Coriolis force, a force mainly caused by the inclination and rotation of the earth perpendicular to the direction of motion. Coriolis effect is responsible for deflecting moving object to the right in the northern hemisphere and to the left in southern hemisphere. It is also important in the formation of cyclonic weather system. This is also known as Farrell's law. Then comes break of the monsoon. During southwest monsoon period, after raining for 2 or 3 days, if rainfall stops for 1 or more week and there is a dry period, means there is no rainfall, it is known as break in the monsoon. These dry spells are common during the rainy season. The reason for break are, in North India, dry spell occurs due to failure of the rain bearing storms are not frequent along the monsoon trough. And second, over the west coast of India, the dry spells are associated with days when monsoon winds blow parallel to the coast. Then comes burst of the monsoon. Burst of monsoon is a phenomena in which sudden violent rainfall accompanied by violent thunder and lightning occurs in the first week of June. There is a sudden change in weather conditions from hot and dry weather to wet and humid climate. So this is all about this. I hope you like this video. Thank you.